Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to SHIB update. SHIB, I do see some buying activity for SHIB right now, and Solana as well is having some buying activities. So as far as SHIB is concerned, to me at the moment, we do have a retest coming in. So you have one resistance sideways right there, second resistance right there, a break up, and it does look like you're looking to come down to retest this break that you've already done. So as long as, in my opinion, you're looking for SHIB to come down and hold this retest right down here at the price of, what is this going to be, 1017. So we need to see SHIB holding 1017, and you do have a very good chances that you're looking for a move up to this technical target. Now again, I don't like Binance charts. I'm always speculative of Binance, but this is going to be 39% move to the upside as well. I just want to go back to the daily and zoom out, so you can see that on the daily time frame you do have this shooting star, which is actually a reversal candle to the downside. Now unfortunately, there's one more thing you have to keep in mind, and that is if you end up coming down like this and you see SHIB coming down and close at 978 in the next nearly 14 hours. So in the next 14 hours, if you're going to close at 978, then unfortunately understand that you're making an evening star and you didn't really backtest or make a successful retest. Okay, unless you don't actually do something like this and then go back up and take this high, then that is going to be an invalidation. Okay, but if you're looking to do something like this, you're making an evening star, and this three candles combined is still a reversal candle to go down. And one place it's going to make sense for SHIB to go down, if you make an evening star, is to take this stop loss right over there and come all the way down here. So if I zoom out, that's also your inverse head and shoulder neckline. So right now, to me, it doesn't really make sense to come all the way down. Really, that's not a good idea. But in my opinion, it will be better for SHIB to basically come down, touch this 1017, retest 1017, bounce off here slowly and start to move back up. And you do have a technical target right over here, and this is also your resistance line that is about to happen. So we're talking about 39%. That's going to be 1427 or nearly even 1500 as your technical target for SHIB. And that's just pretty much it for this update right now. 4-hour time frame chart pattern is what I'm looking forward to for the retest, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.